Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, the poet talks about a mystery cat, and it is basically reflective in meaning. The poet talks about the cat who is basically a master criminal who can defy every law. The law of gravitation has been defied by it, and this criminal is so smart that no police can handle it. Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy the law, who can make fool of law by all the techniques. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement, confusion, puzzlement of the Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard, the police of Scotland. The flying squad's despair. Why? Because when the police reaches the crime scene, you will never find the criminal over there. The criminal is so smart that he flies away. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. The criminal is so smart that when the police reaches the scene of crime, Macavity is not to be found there. He runs away, he flies away. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Means Macavity is very, very smart, very unique, and very much expert in befooling the police. He's broken every human law. He broke the law of gravity. Now, what is the meaning over here? That Macavity is so smart, he's such a smart criminal that he has broken all the laws of the constitution, and side by side, in the smartness of running away, Macavity is able to defy, prove wrong the law of gravity. What is the law of gravity? That everything is attracted towards the earth. But because he is very smart, he runs away so fast, even the law of gravity is defied by Macavity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now, fakir means, who is fakir? Someone who begs for alms. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever you reach, Macavity does a crime, commits a crime, and then runs away. And when you reach there, when the police reaches there or other people they reach there, Macavity is never caught. So the magician, fakir, the magician, or there are two meanings basically. Fakir means a person who is begging, and the other meaning is the magician. So the power of levitation means Macavity is so smart that he runs away and no one is able to catch hold of him. He is defying all the laws of gravitation, all the laws by floating in the air. Levitation is basically floating in the air. So it seems as if Macavity is floating in the air, and people, the magicians, they look at him with surprise. They're staring at him. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Why? Because the fakir, the magician, is surprised, astonished, completely baffled. Because he's so smart, he's so fast. It seems as if Macavity is floating in the air. Now, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is never caught. Why? He flies away. He always runs away. Either Macavity is running away or he is hiding somewhere. Now the next line, you may seek him in the basement. Seek him, search for him, try to find him out in the basement, in the underground space, but still you will never be successful because he is an expert in befooling people, in befooling the police. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Why Macavity is not there? Because Macavity is too fast to run away, to fled away, to hide. Macavity is a ginger cat. Now, the next stanza says Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means talking about the color of the cat. The color of the cat is light brown, or you can say orangish brown color. He is very tall and thin. Now, this is the physical appearance which T.S. Eliot is explaining over here, that the cat is of light brown, orangish color. It is very, tall and thin, and you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken in means Macavity is having very deep eyes, sunken eyes. Then his eyes are sunken, his brow is deeply lined with thought. Now, when you look at the face of Macavity, it looks like it is having wrinkled faces there. Wrinkles are there, and these wrinkles are very clearly visible on the forehead of the cat. His brow is deeply lined with thought, as if Macavity is in a deep thought. So there are wrinkles in the forehead of Macavity. His head is highly domed. His head is highly domed means, what is the meaning of domed? That his head is high and round. It is, we can say it is very much high in position. It is not lower down, it is high. His head is highly domed. Domed, you understand? Like a big, you can say, a big building which is very much high, tall. His coat is dusty from neglect. Now, why dusty? Because the coat, the fur of the cat is full of dust because of neglection. It is not properly groomed up. It is uncombed. It is neglected. It is completely dirty. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers, hair on the cheek. Okay, they are uncombed. They are in disorder. They are disheveled, and they are not properly maintained. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Now, the poet T.S. Eliot talks about the way Macavity is moving his head from one side to the other side, and the comparison, you can see it is the use of simile over here, that Macavity is moving his head like a snake. As a snake moves his head from one side to the other side, likewise Macavity is swaying his head like the snake. Use of simile. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. Now, T.S. Eliot says that when we think that the cat Macavity is deeply asleep, is having a sound sleep, basically we are wrong. We are having a wrong notion, because Macavity is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Now the poet says that Macavity is unique in itself, for he is a fine in feline shape. Now what is fine, children? It is devil. Shaitan जिसको बोलते हैं ना, he is a devil in feline shape. Now what is feline? In the form of a cat. The poet T.S. Eliot is emphasizing that Macavity is basically a devil in the form of a cat. He's a monster. He's a giant. Now, a monster of depravity. Depravity is moral corruption. When you don't have any moral values, when you don't follow any moral norms, when you don't follow any laws or rules of society, that is called depravity of laws. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. Now, the poet says that Macavity can be seen anywhere in the by street or in the public square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Now, the poet is emphasizing that Macavity is so smart in committing a crime that after committing the crime, you can never find Macavity. Otherwise, you can see Macavity just loitering here and there, in the streets, on the square, here and there. But when a particular crime is committed by Macavity and the whole police squad, the Scotland Yard, the general police is searching for Macavity, you can never catch hold of Macavity. He is so very smart. He's a very smart criminal cat. Okay, so this is the poem, children. Thank you very much.